In this video, we will review SiriusXM's fish mapping fish recommendations information using a Furuno display. Let's start by selecting the fish mapping icon on the home screen. After selecting the fish mapping icon, the nautical chart will be displayed. Swipe up from the bottom to reveal the fish mapping feature selection menu. From the menu, tap Fish Recommendations to turn the layer on. Then tap Fish Species to choose the species you wish to have displayed. You can choose up to 6 different types of fish species to be displayed simultaneously. When conditions are ideal for a selected species, a colored oval or circular shape will be displayed on the screen corresponding to the species you've selected, as indicated by the legend on the left. In addition, if you tap on the oval, the species will be identified in a pop-up. Also note, the legend will show the colors as they relate to the species. Recommendations are updated twice a week on Tuesday and Friday mornings. Note, these recommendations should be treated as a prediction or a forecast and are not based on actual catch reports. Fish recommendations are based on specific oceanographic data for each species. Our experts take into account water temperature, plankton concentrations, sea height, and bottom contours, to name a few. If these key data elements are not prominent enough in a given area for our oceanographers to include a recommended species of fish, then we will not display a recommendation for that area. It's important to note that fishing recommendations are only provided when the data identifies very good conditions for the selected species. Generally speaking, areas with any fishing recommendations, regardless of the specific species shown, demonstrate locations that are much more likely to have bait fish and other key oceanographic features that attract game fish. Please note that any species other than tuna, billfish, swordfish, kingfish, wahoo, and mahi, as shown here, are not available at this time. If you see other species on your MFD, these species will be included in the billfish and tuna categories. If there are no fishing recommendations in your area at a particular time, that doesn't mean you should cancel your trip. If you don't see recommendations in the area where you want to fish, there are several other fish mapping features to help you find the best conditions in that area. We recommend that you overlay individual fish mapping features like plankton front strength and sea surface temperature front strength to determine the areas where fish are most likely to be found. Where several features point to the same area, you'll have a higher likelihood of locating game fish. For additional information and specific fish mapping feature videos, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fishmapping. For videos specific to your branded display, visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. And for even more about using SiriusXM Marine, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/SXM Marine. In addition, please follow us on our social media sites. If you have any questions, feedback, or would like to share a story, please email us at marine.support@SiriusXM.com. If you have specific questions about your Furuno hardware, please visit www.furunousa.com/en/get_support. Thank you for watching.